My name's Diana and my husband's Ken, and we live in Alvin, Texas. The drought hit this past year, and that's when we started seeing small cracks in one room, then another room, then another room. The doors wouldn't close. Yeah, and so I knew immediately what it was, and that's when we called Allied. A girlfriend of mine had Allied come out and do some foundation work for them. And so I remembered that, so I gave her a call and said, would you refer, the people that you use? And she said, absolutely. So when they came out and, they worked with me on the price, it was extremely reasonable. So I told them, yes, we'd do it. It was perfect. I could barely tell that they were here. I would recommend Allied. Matter of fact, I've already recommended them to one person. I was really happy with the work.